Today, we're drawing a cute mermaid sitting on a dolphin. Let's start this easy drawing together. First, draw a small mermaid sitting on the dolphin.
Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet. Dance to the song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray. Hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
Job. Keep drawing.
Buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk.
Now draw a simple dolphin shape.
My darling.
Lulu, skip to my Lou, Lulu, skip to my Lou, Lulu, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my Lou.
Dolphin drawing is finished.
Whee! This is so... Yay! Faster, dolphin friend! I love swimming with you.